Tell us what happened here. Hold on, what? This is what happened here, buddy?
Okay, well that's old. That's been like that for a while. But what happened really is I was on my way to work and I woke up late. What? Yeah, I woke up late and I started getting ready real quick.
Hold up. I gotta get away from that copyright. Hey, what the?
There we go. It's off. So I was on my way to work. I got woken up late and started getting out real quick as fast as I can. Start taking the back roads to get on the highway to 97 to Glen Burnie. There's two work vans that are going 50 miles an hour on the acceleration ramp. The acceleration ramp, you're supposed to go at least 80 miles an hour to catch up with highway speeds and then bring it back down to be on the highway speed that it is. So I'm going ahead, I'm like, I know this van's gonna move over, I might as well move over to the next lane. Did that. Then I'm like, well, I'm still by that van, it's gonna be right beside my bumper. So I go ahead, I take a look, I'm all good to go, and I see in my mirror, and I'm like, okay, there's nobody coming down this middle lane. I moved over, and then wham, I hit a my bad. But I hit a stupid 2016 Hyundai Elantra, and I was like, oh god.
Wait, hold on, I thought you hit a box.
No, not that. I'm talking about when I got into the accident.
Oh, they're talking about the box.
But I did hit a box and everything because there was a box.
We're talking about this part right here, right?
Yeah, because
it hit the accident, right?
Yep, because.
Oh, he is explaining this one first.
Yeah, I was explaining this one first because the fender got damaged. The doors are all right, but they're out of alignment.
Oh,
yeah.
A Hyundai. I've gotten an accident with a Hyundai too.
Yeah,
damn Hyundais.
But the other one is there was a guy that was driving on the road on the bridge, and two boxes came off. One that was fully assembled and it was still in the shape, and then one was collapsed. So I went ahead and slowed down, pushed the box so I can move it out of the road, so I can actually make sure it doesn't have anybody hit it, and then try to go ahead and try to maneuver out of the way and onto coming traffic.
Such a nice guy.
So, in all true honesty, I forgot there was a lip from the asphalt from the bridge of the overpass, and I busted the box open. I'm like, oh god, now I just messed up something. I'm like, oh crap, what I messed up? So I pulled over to the side, and then I'm like hearing something like, I'm like, what the hell? And I'm like, no, everything seems fine. I still hear it. I'm like, there's a piece of styrofoam wedged in between my suspension and wheel, literally like this.
Wait, so oh, okay, all right. So wait, did it crack that too?
No, that was already cracked, but it did actually damage the plastic.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about.
Yeah, it damaged that a little bit, but that's easy to fix. So, but I suggest you guys, if you're going ahead and taking something that's got like trash in the back of a truck and everything, please make sure you strap it down.
Yeah, that's why I don't get too close. I'll be like 6-7 car spaces away from them.
That's how much
I just drive period like that, cause yeah. Thinking people.
But it's okay. I'm going to end up going to the junkyard, finding the same color fender that's in good condition. Bumper that's going to be brand new. So I'm not really all butthurt about it and everything. So
Cambo! I'm sorry. Where you at? It's hot, bro. Yo, it was a freaking guy doing like wheelies right here. I couldn't get him, but I got him on the phone. And knowing me, I'm going to forget the footage. But hopefully he comes back, because it was a bunch of ATVs and bikes that came through here, bro. We still waiting on you, Cambo. It said 25 minutes. It's like 30 minutes later.
That's a bike right there.
That's what I was talking about. There was a bunch of them down there. They were just chilling up. Oh, there's too much shit going on. Nice as fuck.
I ain't got enough balls to deal with
Hey, look, yeah, I don't fuck with that. I'm too scared of that, bro. These dudes gangster as shit.
And 12% right there.
They don't care. Yo, I scoped this shit out like last Sunday, and it was dead as shit. That's why I picked this place. Like, damn, I think that cop came because of that Hellcat. And like, it was some weird ass guy. Yeah. But no, it was some weird ass guy in the pickup truck just watching us for like 15 minutes. When that truck came and fixed right there. That shit was like. Hey yo, we about to go. Shout out to Cambo, my bro. But we about to go to Annapolis to get something to eat. My car been running this whole time. I forgot. I'm about to go. I'm sorry, it's so fucking high. I gotta cool down a bit. I don't know if you can see because it's so bright, but yeah, we at Double T Diner. I'm gonna vlog when we get in there, but yeah, shout out to my mans because you know I am about my car. Like people next to me, so he let me park here. Look, hey, look, you got this nigga funny. But I still love you even though you slow. Hell yeah. He drinks now. My little bro growing up. Look at this.
Thank you.
Thank you, man.
And what would you like?
What do you have besides Corona?
We have Sam Adams. We have.
Do you have Yingling Black and Tan?
Go on YouTube.
We have Ling. Is it Ling?
Yingling, just regular Yingling.
Miller Lite.
You got Bud Light.
Bud Light.
Do you have Bud Light Lime? Just regular Bud Light. Alright. I guess I'll take a Corona Light.
Look. Try to be like his big sis. It's like nah.
Let me see your menu. Do you guys still want?
Please explain what just happened. Oh wait.
There's not much to explain. All of a sudden, I just saw her and the two kids going ahead and looking at your car, and I'm like, "What are you looking at?" And then all of a sudden, you had one of your kids getting close to my car. I'm like, "What the heck?"
Yo, cause like my car's parked right there, and she's parked all the way over there. You can't see, cause she's in the car already. But she's like, I set off my alarm. Y'all know I don't like people by my car, and she just stopped. Oh, you set your alarm off too?
Mm-hmm.
Not you. These people. That's. I know this man. He just cut in front of me. I don't know this man. Those people in there was like fucking weird, bro. Like they kept staring at me. I hate that. Like, mind your business. Look at this shit. What the fuck?
She's still going off on it.
What the fuck? You parked the wrong way. Hey, look. This motherfucker. This is why we can't have nice shit in Merlin. This why. He's gonna show me it was an R what?
It's R32.
Yo, Keon told me about these motherfuckers right here. Oh, you want that sauce? You want that sauce? God, look at this shit. Oh my god. Hold up. It's on Instagram. What? You don't see these every day. Hold up. Anybody know the owner of this car? God. Damn. Get that shit, bro. No, hold up. I've seen this car before. Yeah. I seen him on like on YouTube, on Instagram. Look at that shit. God damn, man. Mm-hmm. You gotta show love to these. Nightmare Crew. I heard of them before. What's up, though? Like, we just, as you saw from that clip, if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't have known. Because I was looking at the Charger. He saw the 32. What was it? The GTR 32. Like, he spotted that, so, hey. Yo, that was a dope-ass find. Because I probably didn't pay no attention because it was, like, white. Yeah, yo, that was dope. That was hella dope, bro. I'm gonna vlog it. That's what you do. I didn't even know that. Are you good? I didn't know that shit was in there either. Did you want to go or no? Nah. Oh, he don't want to play. Hey, I don't know about that. What the fuck is going on here? I should have went to the Cheesecake Factory.
I don't go to this one a lot.
I want a bear. Hey, don't laugh at me. I'm just vlogging, that's all. Don't mind me.
Alright.
Hey,
Chick-fil-A does got some.
we here.
But we ain't no here.
I'm just saying, I
got
know
some good
it.
smoothies.
It's always a long line, that's though.
Yeah.
Well, let's jump over there, bro. Hey, fuck you. God damn. I want one. Hey, fuck you for being close.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candle slit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.